If you are a business owner in India looking to scale your business online, Google Ads could be your golden ticket. However, managing Google AdWords effectively requires the expertise, time and strategy. That's where a Google Ads agency comes in. Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are diving into how to choose the right Google AdWords agency in India to ensure your businesses gets the best ROI. First thing first, to understand the importance of Google Ads. Did you know that Google processes over 3.5 billion searches per day? Imagine the potential reach for your business. Google Ads help you appear at the top of the search results, driving targeted traffic to your website. But without the right strategy, your ad spend could be wasted. This is why partnering with an experienced Google Ads agency can be a game changer. They not only help in setting up and managing your campaigns, but also ensure you get the best possible return on investment. So now the key qualities to look for in a Google Ads agency. The first thing is the experience and the expertise. First and foremost, experience matters. So look for agencies that have a proven track record in managing Google AdWords campaign. Check out their case studies and the client testimonials. An agency with the expertise in your industry is a big plus. The next is the Google certified partner. Make sure the agency is a certified partner. This certification indicates that the agency meets Google standard policies and has demonstrated proficiency in managing successful ad campaigns. The next is the customized strategies. Avoid agencies that offer one-size-fits-all solutions. Your business is unique and so should be your ad strategy. A good agency will take the time to understand your business goals, target audience, and the competition to create a tailored approach. The next is the transparent reporting. Transparency is crucial. The agency should provide regular reports on your campaign's performance, including metrics like the click-through rates, conversions, and the ROI. This will help you understand where your money is going and what results it's bringing in. The next is the communication and the support. Effective communication is key to a successful partnership. Ensure the agency offers regular updates and is responsive to your queries. A dedicated account manager can make a big difference in managing your campaigns efficiently. The right Google Ads agency for your business. So now that you know what to look for, so let's talk about a standout agency that ticks all these boxes. That is Softtrix. So as a Google Premier Partner for 2024, Softtrix is recognized as one of the top performing Google AdWords agencies in India. Google Premier Partner status. Being a Google Premier Partner means that the Softtrix has met Google's highest standards for the performance and the expertise. This exclusive status is awarded to only the top 3% of the Google partners worldwide, ensuring you are working with a team that highly skilled in delivering the successful ad campaigns. The next is the proven track record. With over a decade plus of experience, Softtrix has a proven track record of helping businesses across various industries achieve their digital marketing goals. Their portfolio includes specifically successful campaigns for e-commerce, healthcare, real estate, and with a strong focus on maximizing the return on investment. The next is the customized and the data-driven strategies. Softtrix takes pride in offering customized data-driven strategies tailored to your business needs. They don't just set up the campaign, they constantly optimize them based on the performance data, ensuring that your ad spend is used efficiently and effectively. The next is comprehensive reporting and the transparency. Transparency is a core value at Softtrix. They provide detailed reports that break down your campaign's performance, so you always know where your money is going and what results you are achieving. Their focus on clear communication means that you are never left in the dark. The next is the dedicated support and the communication. With Softtrix, you will have a dedicated account manager who understands your business and is committed to your success. Their team is always available to answer your questions, provide insights, and adjust strategies as needed to ensure your campaigns are always performing at their best. So, how do you get started with Softtrix? Here is a simple step-by-step guide. The first thing is the initial consultation. Begin with an initial consultation where you can discuss your business goals, budget, and the expectations. The Softtrix team will listen to your needs and provide valuable insights on how they can help you achieve your objectives. Next is the proposal and strategy. Softtrix will then create a detailed proposal outlining their strategies, expected results, and the timelines. The proposal will be tailored specifically to your business, ensuring that all your goals are addressed. Next is the trial campaign. So, if you are new to Google AdWords or unsure, considering starting with the trial campaign, this allows you to see Softtrix approach in action and evaluate the initial results before committing to a long-term partnership. The next is the ongoing management. Once you are on board, Softtrix will take care of everything from the ongoing campaign management to regular performance reviews. Their proactive approach ensures your campaigns are continually optimized for the better results. So, in terms of the conclusion, choosing the right Google Ads agency in India can be a difference between a successful digital marketing campaign and wasted budget. Remember to prioritize the experience, transparency, and the customized strategies. We hope this guide will help you find the perfect partner for your business. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to click on the like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insights on digital marketing. And thanks for watching.